Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Dalam video kali ni, aku akan buat unboxing untuk package ni, Hot Wheels Batman Assortment Vehicles daripada Mattel. So jom kita tengok kandungan dalam kotak ni. The first item dalam kotak ni is the Batman The Animated Series Batwing. That is the first item. The second item is the comic Batmobile. Okay, that is the second item. The third item is the Batmobile daripada movie The Batman. The fourth item is the Batmobile daripada movie The Dark Knight. The fifth item is the Batman 1989 Batmobile. The sixth item is also the same vehicle, Batman 1989 Batmobile. The seventh item is the highly sought after Batcycle. Okay, previously also known as Batblade. And the last item is the 1989 Batwing. Let's make a comparison between the Batwings here, between the new version and also the previous version. For the new version, boleh tengok dekat sini, misal dia telah dipaint warna merah. For the previous release, misal dia dipaint warna gold or warna kuning. And the wings also you can see, the wings dia dah paint warna kelabu macam ada lampu. But for the new release, no paint application whatsoever. And for the gun itself, nampak dekat previous release ni dia warna kelabu tau. Tapi the new version tak ada paint, only black color. And of course, both these Batwings here, dia ada what we call stand, like this stand. This one also included, but mine I letak dalam kotak, I tak pakai pun sebab aku suka letak dia macam ni saja display. Right, so that's the comparison between these two Batwings here. Now, let's make a comparison for the Batcycle. So this is the newer version of Batcycle yang diriliskan tahun ni, and this is the Batcycle also, but previously ianya dikenali sebagai Batblade. So item ni, Batblade ni, previously ianya sangat susah nak dapat. Kalau nak dapatkan dalam package, item ni akan boleh dibeli di eBay, tapi costnya between RM200 to RM500 just for one piece. Tapi of course Mattel dah riliskan balik item ni and dah rebrand sebagai item ni sebagai Batcycle. And satu major perbezaan or difference between the previous release and the newer release is that you boleh tengok kat sini, for the previous release, this part here black color, okay, but for the newer release, this part here grey color, ada macam warna silver. So that's the one major difference yang boleh dinampak dekat item ni. Okay, dekat mana aku beli items ni? Items ni aku beli daripada Entertainment Earth website. But if you are interested to buy these items, aku suggest korang beli dekat Shopee because most of the items are still available. And kalau korang nak beli individually, aku suggest beli these two items here first. Okay, the 1989 Batwing and also the Batcycle. Sebab kedua-dua item ni in the previous release memang sangat susah nak jumpa, either mahal ataupun memang tak ada dekat eBay. Alright everyone, thank you for watching, and of course, long live the Bat. Don't forget to subscribe this channel